Hello everybody! Hello from Iceland, because this week we're in Iceland and the release notes show must go on. So we are now shooting our release notes directly from Iceland to you. And of course, these are the release notes of November, and we're slowly but surely moving into the Christmas months, and we're very much looking forward to that as well. So rumors has it that decorations are already going up in the Swedish office. Now, let's move on to the release notes, and we'll start off with improvements. First off, we added a CC option to form notifications, meaning that when somebody's filling out the form, people will be notified, and now that entire CC list will now be able to be notified. So more people being able to have the information that they need to have. Also, we changed it so that when you're creating a new revision, but no other revision behind that or before that has been set as active, that new revision will be seen as the first one, thereby having no revision bars on it. Also, if you now add a text section above an existing text section, the old text section will not receive revision bars because it was pushed down. That has been fixed, and a long-awaited improvement for a lot of people. A new thing that we added as well is a new API endpoint for compliance checklists, making you able to receive a lot more information on your compliance data. And the last of the improvements, when creating a compliance library, you can set a compliance owner. That owner can now be set back, or that choice can now be set back to no owner. We didn't have that before. And now we are switching over to bug fixes. Within bug fixes, we had an issue when you were moving a text section to a new page. That text section will receive a full revision bar with new section marking on it. That has now been fixed, so we will no longer have that revision bar and it won't show up as a whole new text section. Also, before, when you made an image into a link, that image could completely disappear and only the link string would exist. That has now been fixed. So now your links will actually be able to be links. Your images will be able to be links, and that's a good thing. Also, when you deleted content, deleted entire text sections, the deleted text section marks will now be in their correct places in the reader. And one more thing, we found a case where non-compliance library owners, when we set restrictions on access, they would still be able to go in and make changes in the compliance library through secret ways and paths. That's now been closed, and now only the people who's supposed to make changes will be able to make changes. Reviewer comments in the admin will now correctly word wrap, making sure that the editors can actually read the entire reviewer comment. So that is a good thing. Another thing we fixed is the permissions matrix. In there, we have the column for categories, and that used to have a transparent background. No more. So now you will actually be able to have the correct background there. We changed the color scheme as well in announcements. There were a few places in announcements where it could be very hard to read the content because of the color scheme. That has now been fixed. And in general, we've done a lot of smaller UI fixes and changes just to make things a little bit more easy to see and fix some of those misaligned items. That's all I had for you from here in Iceland. We have Vivi behind the camera smiling, being happy because we're getting this done. And now we'll move on to more meetings. Have a wonderful beginning of December, everybody. Bye.